How to create Call of Duty account. Hey there, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create Call of Duty account. In order to create a Call of Duty account, first thing first, make sure your device is connected to an internet service and go ahead and open up any web browser of your choice. After that, on the web address bar, type in www.callofduty.com. That's going to take you to the official web page of Call of Duty. So then to begin with the registration process, you see there are two different options, that is login and sign up. If you already have an account, click on the login button and then log in into your account. However, if you don't have an account, click on the sign up and then register yourself for a Call of Duty account. So then to create your account, you can see you need to enter in your email address. So you need to type in twice for the confirmation. So quickly enter in your email address. After that, click on sign up, which is right at the bottom. Now you need to go through one of the 4 steps. So for that, what you need to do is you need to create an activation ID. So it's like creating a username. And after that, you need to provide in the first and the last name. Once you're done with this procedure, click on the next tab right at the bottom. Now in order to confirm your age, you need to provide in a date of birth. That you need to enter in your location. After that, you also need to select your location. So click on this arrow icon right over here and then you have multiple options. So after that, you need to click on the next button, which is right at the bottom once you're done with this procedure. Since you're creating an account, it is mandatory to create a password. Now go ahead and create a password. After that, go through this terms and condition and then mark on it as well, and mark on I'm not a robot as well for the confirmation that you're human, and click on the next button. If you have an account on any of these following platforms, you can link it. If you don't want to do it so, then click on I don't have a network account, which is right at the bottom, and then your account has been successfully created. You'll be asked to set up a 2-factor authentication. If you want to do it so, tap on set up 2-factor authentication, just tap on skip for now. And as you can see, that account has been, and now you can explore Call of Duty. In this way, you can create your account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.